Yes, student. Now the next content is kinetic molecular theory of gases. Okay, kinetic means what? Actually, student, you know that the molecule of gases are very small in size. The force of attraction at ordinary temperature and pressure between the molecules are so less or negligible that they always moves in random motion. Okay, and therefore they are having a particular kinetic energy during their motion. Therefore we are introduces kinetic molecular theory of gases. Okay, some postulates are: there is negligible or no force of attraction between the molecules of gases, so they occupies all possible volume, because now they are free to move everywhere. Wherever they are getting the space, they can move there. Like here, suppose there is a container like that. Okay, now and this is the molecule of gases. So the molecule of gases are very small in size, therefore they move in all possible direction, and thus they occupies the shape of the container. Are you getting? But very important thing is that the molecule of gases are so small in size that the actual volume of molecule of gases, actual volume means what? If we collect all these molecule in a container or in a vessel, like a perfume, small bottle of perfume. Okay, the large number of molecules under very high pressure and very low temperature are packed. So this is actually the actual volume occupied by molecules itself, by molecule itself. Like the volume of room is very big, but myself the single particular volume, it is very less. And if I compare with this room, my volume will be negligible, isn't it? But at ordinary temperature and ordinary pressure, now the being molecules are free to move everywhere. So even a small volume of that vessel where they kept earlier, okay, that molecule will spread all over the container. Therefore, it is considered that the volume of overall container is very large as compared to the actual volume of the gas. Actual volume means this is the actual volume. Okay, this is the actual volume of the gas. Okay, but being the pressure is low and the temperature is also low, therefore they occupies all the direction. Are you getting? And they spread all over the space, isn't it? This is the meaning of actual volume of molecules of gases are negligible as compared to the volume occupied by them. Volume occupied them means the volume of container, and actual volume means you can take sum of actual volume of all the molecules of gases. The second postulate is particles of gases are always in random motion. Like here, suppose again this is a container and there is some molecules. So how they are moving? They are moving in straight path. Like here, in that path they are moving, 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 or in that path they are moving. Getting? That is called what? Always in random motion. But random means what? Random means we cannot judge at which time what will, at which direction they will move. They can move anywhere, everywhere and anywhere, but in random direction. During this, they collide with each other. You can see here, if the molecule is moving in that way, now the molecule can collide with each other. If it is moving in that way, the molecule will collide with each other. Okay, and if it collide with this one, then it will exert pressure on the wall of the container. If it is going there, then it will exert the wall of pressure on the wall of container. If it is moving here, then it will exert pressure on the wall of the container. This is the reason of the pressure, means the pressure exerted due to the collision of molecule with each other and also with the wall of the container. Getting? Third one, at any particular time, different particles of the gases have different kinetic energy. Actually, when the molecule will collide with each other, their kinetic energy will change for some time. Their kinetic energy will change for some time. But remember, being the molecule are elastic, that is what, perfect elastic in nature. Elastic in nature, therefore there is no loss of mass and energy of molecule, although the kinetic energy redistributed. That is, if it will collide with each other, its kinetic energy will increase, but its kinetic energy will decrease. But when it will collide with this molecule, that is, this molecule is colliding with this one, then its kinetic energy will increase and its kinetic energy will decrease. That is what? The kinetic energy will redistribute, but the average kinetic energy will always remains constant. Therefore, we are talking about the average kinetic energy of the molecule. Are you getting? So, these are the main assumptions of kinetic molecular theory of gases.